Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look on the gold market. Yesterday already has estimated that we have bullish context on the gold market. On the weekly chart with this spike down and upward continuation, we've got the bullish grabber that potentially, at least theoretical, it suggests taking out of this top. This previous top on the gold market should become the move above the 1370 area. Trend has turned bullish, so right now daily also stand in the buy mode, and here we do not have overbought condition yet, so market stands in relatively free area, I mean from the overbought oversold territory. So right now, as you can see, the resistance that we have here is 1341 is the weekly period resistance once market has hit yesterday. On the intraday chart, guys, we'll also see that this 1341 is also fib level, as we have discussed it. This market hasn't quite reached the A, B, C bottom OP target and turns to some retracement. Potentially, guys, here you could easily recognize in kind of the hand shoulders shape probably. As you can see, this could become left shoulder, head, and this market could start forming right shoulder. This will keep stop valid. But it could lead to the deep retracement. So potentially, at least based on the harmony of this pattern, it should be retracement somewhere to the 1323, 1325 maybe, somewhere in this level. If you'll take a look at the hourly chart, on the hourly chart we have double ripple sell has been formed on the recent rally up. Here, guys, unfortunately or fortunately, market hasn't shown any AB equals CD retracement that we also thought and talked about recently. So we said that, well, if market will not be able to continue move up immediately, it could form some kind of the ABCD to the 1314 area, but this could provide us the chance to go long. But this hasn't happened, and market has moved up. So currently, based on the recent rally, market has formed and confirmed double ripple sell pattern. So we have the thrust up, close below 3x3, close above, and create the new tops and close below. So in general, this top, guys, is perfect example of the double ripple sell. Pattern has been completed here. Right now, you can see how 3x3 moving average, displaced moving average envelops this falling price action, mostly as Judd Napoli shows in his book. It's an example of the double ripple. A real example is also enveloping of the falling action after double ripple has been formed. Since this is strong bearish directional pattern, guys, it means that indeed retracement could follow, and usually double ripple leads to the significant drop. And that in turn increased chances that indeed maybe market will reach the 1323, 1326 area. So from the fib work, Fibonacci analysis, you can see this the Napoli level stands. So confidence support the 1326. This mostly corresponds to the bottom, as you can see, of the left shoulder, potential left shoulder. Stand 1333, 1326. This will be an area that we'll be watching for as a potential point where we could think about taking a long position. Currently, guys, personally, I do not want to go against the double ripple sell pattern. It's better to wait and see when it will complete target. Usually the minimum target of the double ripple, the 50% of the thrust, it means that it should be somewhere around 1329. But this is just minimum target. It doesn't mean that market should stop here. Just at least target that should be reached. But market easily could proceed lower and reach this support area. So currently, guys, at the gold market, I think that it's better to see, to sit on the hands and watch what will happen. So how this double ripple will be completed. If everything will happen as we are talking about, so In this case, probably around 1323, 1326, we will get the chance to go long and proceed with our trade in the longer context, and we have it on daily and weekly basis. So if you would like to trade the double ripple directly, well, this is not forbidden, of course, but as we have mostly the bullish context on the daily and weekly chart, we are mostly talk about the situation how we could take the long position. But the scalp traders, of course, could think about trading this double ripple on the bearish side as well.